Object talking videos are so popular right now that almost all the pages you're seeing are getting millions of views and followers on Instagram and TikTok. You can see that this page has posted only 5 videos, and the first video already has more than 1 million views. This niche is still new on YouTube, and you can target a worldwide audience, so the RPM can be much higher. First, go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search box, type Object Talk. From the results, select the one with 50,000 chats that has a tomato sauce bottle as the profile picture. Then click Start Chat. In the message box, type the object you want. We'll go with phone. This GPT will provide image and video generation prompts for the main object, phone, and also for related objects like headphones, chargers, etc. This is the image prompt, and this one is for video generation. Under these, you can also see the related objects. Now we'll use Google Gemini for image generation. Simply copy the image prompt and paste it into Gemini. Make sure to choose the Pro model. Then click the Generate button. You'll get a landscape image, which can be used for long videos, but for YouTube Shorts and Reels, we need a portrait size. For that, at the beginning of the prompt, write image aspect ratio 9:16 inside the third brackets, then paste the image prompt and generate again. You'll get a portrait-size image. Now hover over the image, and when the download button appears, simply click it to download the image. Next, we'll use Google Flow to generate videos. Click on New Project first. Change this option to Frames to Video. Click on the Settings option and make sure the aspect ratio is portrait, the output is set to 1, and the model is VEO 3.1 fast. Then click the plus option and upload the image. Change the size to portrait and click Crop and Save. In the video prompt box, write "He is saying aggressively" and then copy-paste the script after it, inside quotation marks. Click Generate. After the generation is completed, hover over the video, and when the download option appears, simply click it to download. Repeat the same process with other related objects to generate more videos. Then use any video editing software to add simple transitions between them. Finally, you'll get a result like this one.
I haven't rested in days. Every buzz pulls you back in, and I take the blame. I'm not addictive, but I'm just obedient to your habits.
I played your music flawlessly.
This is how you store me?
And you're shocked I sound twisted?
Check out this new niche video. You're going to love it.